Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to create a stack bar in Power BI. For creating a stack bar, we'll click on the visual here that is for stack bar. Let us resize it properly. And we require that is y-axis, x-axis and legend to create a simple stack bar. X-axis as a numerical field and y-axis as a categorical field, as it requires any of the field from the dataset which contains a data point as a text value, not a numeric value, a text value. So let's drag any of the field which is text value. So we have category, city, country, customer ID, customer name as a text values into this particular columns. And the symbol here we have got a summation which is a numerical value. So I'll drag subcategory. I want to see which all subcategories are present in different regions they are performing. So here I want to frame a question that in each and every region, which all subcategories are making sales. So let us drag the subcategory for completing this particular question. So let's drag subcategory into y-axis and sales into x-axis. So we'll create here the simple bar chart, and if I drag the subcategory into the legend, it would give each and every subcategory a different color. But I don't want a bar graph here, I want a stack bar chart. So stack bar is available when you place any other subcategory other than this particular subcategory, any other field from the data set. So let's drag the region as we want each and every region's contribution. So let's drag the region into the region. So we can see here that each and every region's color is present in the subcategories. So we can replace the visual as well. If it is not looking properly, we can place the y-axis in y-axis as a region and in legend we can replace it with subcategories. So this is how we can create a stack bar which is showing multiple subcategorical values and we have only one single numerical values into it to represent into a stack bar.